Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to insert an element at a specified position into a given list. So given a list and given the element and given the position, that is the index, so you have to insert this particular element into this position and into this list. So that is a problem statement. So let's try to solve this. So let me take a existing list of numbers and try to get element and the position from the user and try to insert into a list. So let me take an existing list, that is numbers equals to, so let's say 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is my existing list. So I'll be using this list in order to insert a given element and a position. So in order to accept the element and the position, so let's use a separate variable. Let's take element. So this is my element variable, and let's use an input function call to ask a user to enter a element to insert. Yeah, so once the user enters an element, so it will be of string type. So let's convert it into an integer type. So as we are using the numbers, that is list of numbers, so we'll be using an integer type. So now let's take another variable to store the position or the index. So let's take position and use the input function call to ask a user to enter position to insert. Yeah, so once the user enters the position or the index, so it will be of a string type. So let's convert it into again an integer type using the type conversion. So once we get the element and position, so let's try to print the existing list. So let's use a print function. So existing, so let's say list before insertion. Yeah, and let's give colon and let's try to print the list. And now so we have to insert this element into a specific position. So let's take a numbers, that is a list of numbers, and let's use a built-in function, that is insert, and try to provide the input arguments. So first argument is a position and the next argument it takes is a element. Yeah, so this is a function to insert an element into a specific position into a list of numbers. So once we are done inserting inserting an element, so let's use a print function to print the resulting list. So let's say list after insertion, and let's try to print the numbers. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print, that is to insert an element at a specific position in a given list. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter an element to insert. So let's say 100, and I want to insert at second index position. So you can see list before insertion and list after insertion, that is 1 to 134. So this is the 0th index. So this is the first index, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth index. Let me close it. Let me re-execute it. And here let's give something like element as 90, and I want to insert at position 0. So you can see list before insertion and list after insertion is, that is the first element has become 90. Closing it and let me re-execute it and enter the element to insert. So let's say 200, and now I want to insert the 100th position. So let me see how it works. So you can see list before insertion, it is 1 2 3 4, and list after insertion, that is the 100th index is not present, so it has added at the 5th or the 4th index. So here it is zeroth index, first index, second, third and fourth. So it has added at the fourth index. Yeah, so this is how insertion, that is a insert function, works. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to insert an element at a specific position in a given list. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.